So this dough is pretty much manageable. If your dough turned out to be quite sticky, you can chill it for 15-20 minutes or maybe even up to 30 until you can easily roll it like this without sticking into the rolling pin. Okay, so you can choose any shapes that you like to cut it out. So again, if it gets too soft while you're working it, you can just wrap it with plastic wrap and then just kind of like put it in the refrigerator to harden a bit. So far this is still good, so I'm just keeping it as is, using it as is. Okay, so you want it to be about 1/4 inch thick, nothing too thin and nothing too thick as well. Okay, there you go. I'm going to use a heart shape because this is for the Valentine cookie. So, like so. Okay. And I'm using a bench scraper just to remove the edge. It's easier to lift that way, like this. Okay. So we're not baking this yet. We have to freeze the cutouts to make sure that it's solid and hard enough when we bake it. It's not going to spread, so you don't have to put a lot of spacing in between each cookie. There we go. So the number of cookie that you can make depends on the size and shape of cutter that you are using. So I don't know yet how many cookie we can make from this one. So